diligence or enthusiastic effort. We're going to stick with the paramitas and talk about diligence. Basically, you cannot accomplish anything of worth without diligence. Stick-to-itiveness, the idea that once I start working in this direction, I am not going to let simple things keep me from my goal. Writing a book is a perfect example of this. The thing that keeps people from writing a book is that writing a book can be hard and boring. But if you are willing to stick through the boring, the hard becomes easier. Because what happens is that it turns out that hard is not really the problem. It's the boredom. It's the everything else I could be doing with my time right now. Diligence requires us to work steadily. Diligence requires us to work in faith. Think about that for a minute. Buddhist faith. Because when you start on this path, you cannot see the end. There are some spiritual practices that say if you can just imagine the end and start where you are, doing the work day by day, step by step will get you there. Walking in faith, moving towards your goal. Because with Zen Buddhism, the goal really isn't the point. The point is the work. The point is doing it for others. The point is moving and doing something positive every day to make your life the way you want it to be. The point is to throw off all of these things that we thought we needed to become this beautiful entity that was always here. The point is to find all of those things that are unworthy of us, releasing those, and seeing what's underneath. That's enlightenment. Seeing ourselves as we truly are. It's a part of the universe. It's a part of the ever-moving continuum. As we truly are. The ultimate us. That's enlightenment. And that takes work. That takes diligence. That takes us moving from seeing ourselves as somebody who gets angry too much, or seeing ourselves as somebody who eats too much, or seeing ourselves as somebody who procrastinates too much, into seeing ourselves as we truly are. Enlightened beings. Stardust. We are emanations of the great, vast universe. Here's a way to look at it. When you take a glass of water out of the ocean is this vast expanse, terrible, beautiful things. If you dip a glass in there and you take a glass of water out of there, what you end up with is all the properties of the ocean is in the glass. All the properties of the universe is in us. Think about that. That's what you're trying to realize. That's what you're trying to realize. That all the properties of the universe is in you. You just don't know it. My telling you is not you knowing it. My telling you is an invitation for you to find it out for yourself. All of this is in you. But you can't get to that realization without diligence. You can't get to that realization without practice. You can't get to that realization without patience, persistence, things we've talked about before. Welcome to the Matrix. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.